Hello everyone, myself Rahul, and in today's video session, I'm going to teach you the artificial intelligence, one of its very important tool, which is called ChatGPT. The GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and from last few days, it is one of the most, gossiping features which we can heard in the education industry or in the business industry. In education industry, basically, it helps a lot for the teachers as well as for the students community. Teachers can easily make a sort of question papers, model test papers, some sort of handouts and worksheets in just a few seconds. So in today's video session I will let you know how we can demonstrate these things in our system also. So let me just open the Google Chrome and let me just share this screen. Mm, okay, so I'm just checking it out. Okay, so this is working. So search OpenAI, then click on the very first link, OpenAI, then go for this link, try Chat GPT. See, this is the GPT interface by OpenAI. So I just logged in my account from last few days back. So if you are new in this platform, you will have to just log in or sign up with your Google account also. So this is the interface and I will let you know how you can do it. So suppose if I want to make a question paper for class 10th maths real number MCQs. See, I'm not typing at all. This is the first question, second, third, and the beauty of this application is it will provide you answers also. If you want to stop it at any time, so you can directly click on this stop button also. So these are the 10 MCQs. So if your demand is only up to 10 MCQs, then it is sufficient for you. If you want some more MCQs, then you can click, can you provide me some more? So, and trust me, none of this question will repeat. These all questions are unique. Every answers will be different. So you can see just a sort of some new questions as well. So if you just click on this stop generating, so it will not generate further. Okay. So the some of the queries are related to the Hindi subject also. I got to know about कि हिंदी में कैसे करेंगे, हिंदी में नहीं हो सकता. तो सपोज हिंदी में जितना मुझे पता है जैसे संज्ञा सर्वनाम वगैरह व्याकरण होते थे, तो संज्ञा डेफिनेशन इन हिंदी. So it will give you the definition also. जो भी आपको सर्च करना है आप इजीली सर्च कर सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन पेपर बनाना है बन जाएगा. अभी आपने देखा हमने एमसीक्यू सेट बनाए हैं ऊपर. ये सारा का सारा हमारा संज्ञा आ गया. संज्ञा के साथ और क्या होता था, नाम विच इज प्रोनाउन. तो सर्वनाम इन हिंदी विद एग्जाम्पल्स. तो ये सर्वनाम बता देगा आपको. अगर आपको यहाँ से कॉपी करना है आप यहाँ से डायरेक्टली कॉपी पेस्ट कर सकते हैं. फीडबैक बाद में देंगे इनको. सी द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑल्सो. सो इन्होंने आपको एग्जाम्पल्स की लिस्ट भी बना के दे दी है. इतने में तो सर्वनाम समझ आ ही जाएगा. वी कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स. Okay, so if I want to make uh, class 10th biology life process worksheet. Suppose I want to make this. So these are the questions. So if this not belongs to you, you can again write life process question paper. Now see, these are the questions. The objective type and then sample question problems. It will give you all. If you want MCQ, it will provide you MCQ. If you want a long answer question, it will provide this. C section B, short answer type questions. Section C, long answer type questions. So it will be very, very, very easy for us to create some question papers at any moment of time. Just directly copy it from here and then paste in your Word file or your PDF. Or if you want, like, suppose models based on uh, physics class ninth. If you want to make some models, some projects, so it will give you a brief idea about it, like solar cooker, like electric circuit. So in the upcoming time it is all about artificial intelligence, it is all about computer science. So we should not be a subject oriented. I am a math teacher, so I don't want to have it, I don't need it, I can create it by writing it myself. Yes, you can create it by yourself also, but it is more relevant to connect with all these features. It is very important to just gain knowledge from your surrounding, that what is happening actually in the real world. So these are the few examples. And suppose if you want class 12th chemistry question paper, so just see what will it provide. Again, it will provide you the question paper, Lewis acid, ionic compound, like this only. So what I'm trying to say, whatever we want to share, we can easily share. See, and we can easily provide all the things. Okay, so whatever we want to make, we can easily make it. Just try it out, this feature, and you can create multiple files. You can create multiple worksheets assignment as well. So just check it out and do tell me how's it. Thank you, bye.